this is Angie with Mystic Mountain Homestead, and I have a special request video for you today. I was talking to some people the other day, and we were talking about making beds, and they don't know how to do like miter corners. So, yes, we own a cleaning business. Surprise! Now you know. So, I know how to make beds, and I'm going to teach you how to do the same. First, you're going to start with your fitted sheet. And in case you don't know, that's the one with the elastic. So, throw it on out here. You have to figure out which way's which. It's really cool if you have printed sheets because then you can look at which way it's going and that will help you decide. And it's okay if you don't know right away, you can always flip it. So you're going to pick up your mattress and put a pocket on each corner. Do you see this seam right here? It's going to go right on the corner. All right? You're going to do that to all four corners. I'm slowing down a little bit for you guys. I'm actually usually pretty much faster than this, but I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. Then, after the fitted sheet, comes the flat sheet. It's the one without any elastic. So, here's a little secret for you. Some people like to put theirs on inside out or upside down, and then that way when they open it, it kind of lays back really pretty. I'm kind of weird. I like it to be the way it's supposed to be, which means right side up, upside down. So once again, we've got the stripes so you can tell easily which way's up, which way's down. The part with the big seam, do you see how big that is? Goes to the top. The part with the little seam goes to the bottom. So you're going to put that on, and then you're going to measure. You're going to pull it up a little bit extra because we're going to fold it back. So pull it up. Then I run around like a crazy woman all over the whole bed, making sure it's all even everywhere. Yeah, I'm kind of weird about even on each side. There's a reason for that, and it's because it makes your miters look nicer. So you're going to flatten it out with your hand. You're going to lift up the mattress, and you're going to tuck it under the mattress. That way, your feet don't go out the bottom and have cold toes. So go all the way around, tucking it under the mattress. Once it's tucked under the mattress down here, you're going to come to the side, and this is the hard part of making a bed. You're going to pick up a corner and bring the corner up. Do you see how I did that? And then the rest of this just kind of lays. Now, I'm going to hold this, and you're going to tuck all of this in. Do you see what part I tucked in? You're holding this, and you're tucking this. Then you're going to lay it down. Now, do you see how nice and clean cut that is? Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. We're going to do it again so you can see exactly what I'm doing. The sheet is laying still. You're going to come here and you're going to pick it up and bring it in. Straighten it out with your hands. Tuck it under. Now, this person has a skirt. Some people don't have that. Some people do. Doesn't matter. You're going to tuck it under. Let it lay. That one didn't look too pretty. Sometimes if they don't look pretty, I'll redo them. There we go. And then after that, we're going to pull up the blankets. Sorry, I laid the pre-folded, pre-sheeted pillows up there at the same time. I did not think you guys needed to see how to put on pillowcases, so I went ahead and pre-did that. You're going to pull the blankets up all the way around. Once again, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to pull it, straighten it. That way you get all your wrinkles out. If you don't get your wrinkles out on the bottom side, then when you're to the top, it doesn't look right. being short because sometimes I have to climb up onto the bed to do that. Sorry. Okay, everything's up. Then you're gonna take this sheet, how you had it, and you're gonna fold it back. Doesn't that look inviting? That way, when you get home from work or out from the field, you're ready for bed. It just looks so nice and cozy. Okay. Put the comforter up, and actually, let me see. No, I was wrong. I thought this was a duvet cover. I was going to show you how to do a duvet cover someday. Those are interesting. You don't see them around very much anymore. A duvet cover is basically a sheet that covers the comforter. So pull that up. Then I like to put your sleeping pillows. So in case you don't know, open up the sack, tag side down. That way when you're sleeping at night, you don't have a tag all up in your face. Okay? When you put your pillows up here, the seam is going to go out. There's a reason for that, I promise. Seam goes out because it just puts a more finished look on it. Now, we don't have all matching pillows, but that's okay because we're going to cover it up anyway. I know this bed pretty good. This little short one, I usually put right there because it's a little and short. Remember what I told you, seam side. Straighten everything up. La, 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 la. Okay, now here comes the fun part. Making it pretty. If you have throw pillows, this is why I said it covers up anyway. If you have throw pillows, you put them up last. Oh, just an FYI, if you have a big picture over your door or over your bed or a big headboard, it's best to dust those off while your sheets are down. This is my favorite part of making beds. I know that sounds kind of silly, doesn't it? But I really do enjoy making beds. I like making them pretty. So, I'm making sure all of my stripes are going the same direction. Ta-da! And that's how you make a bed. And I'll be posting this one along with some other tips. If there's anything else you would like to know how to do, just let me know down at the comments at the bottom. As always, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.